Hey, what's up? We're here in Hikinegu. Finally.
We waited for like months for the reservation.
Yeah, so we're here in Hikinegu. We're just waiting for our turn. Grabe, sobrang daming tao.
There is a waiting area outside and then there's a waiting area inside. So dalawa yung waiting area nila kasi ang daming tao.
Sobrang daming tao. Pero it's nice.
It
Grabe.
means it's good. We've waited 2 weeks guys for this.
So, feeling ko sakto lang kahit maaga tayo pumunta.
Okay lang po.
15 minutes early. At least nakaset naman. Yeah? So, let's see if it's good, no? Let's go. Okay. Let's try this. Ano daw yung una?
Let's try it first, like beer lang. Like,
Beer lang daw ba yung una?
yeah. Ipip lang muna, kahit nang walang sauce para we can enjoy that.
Really? Alright.
Look. Ay, hindi dapat ganun.
Patulungan ako. That was good. That was good.
Yeah. Hello? Dapat. I wanna try it with the sauce. I wanna try it with this salted lemon with green chili. There's cabbage.
Ano, may nilagay ka na ba ng season? Wala.
Tinry ko lang tong lemon. You can add soy sauce if you want. Pero masarap na kasi siya as is. Ito yung...
Grated radish
Thank you.
and the pulse of vinegar for your second cup.
Okay. We're gonna add it here.
I think it's for the rice.
No.
The garlic.
Oh, really?
Parang.
Yeah. You're gonna serve your second na. Hintayin kita.
What should we do with the second one? Hindi ko binasa.
We're gonna put the soy sauce. So it's different than soy sauce flakes and then pickled cabbage. Okay. Okay, let's put na. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Oh, good.
Diba?
I like this.
Nilak mo? Ito yung problem.
Ayun pala. What the hell? It was in fact not a hype.
Yeah.
It was good. It was good.
He told me hype lang daw. So this is the first. Then for the second piece. Then we're on our last piece, the third one. So we're gonna get that egg. These are the sauces. Wow, that's amazing.
It's perfect because yung rice sobrang init pa. Nakabigay lang.
I mean, get.
Right, sir.
It's mine?
Broke.
Oh no, oh no.
I want garlic on my rice. I'm trying it with the excess. With the excess pan.
You're supposed to add soy sauce.
Okay. Not mind-blowing, but it's good. Crazy.
Wow.
That is juicy.
That's juicy.
This is our last of patty here.
Yeah.
Let's go. Tastes like candy.
Like candy? Which one?
It's weird.
The lemon. I like it.
Natikman mo na ba?
Yeah. Yan yung nilalagay ko.
Alam mo yung mga menthol na candy. Di ba? The same. Ay, full.
Ay, ang full.
It's crazy. I mean, it's only rice naman kasi. But I didn't expect I'll be this full for 3 pieces of patty.
Yeah.
Pero you know what? Masulit siya the second time around. Kasi I feel like yung sa 3 versions na gusto nilang gawin, I think the second one was the best.
I know. I like the second one.
The one with the egg, I'm not so much with that.
Not a fan of it.
The first one is, is normal naman. Pero I think you should try it na, because with the patty lang din.
Yeah.
The meat is sobrang soft. It was good. Pero don't miss out on the seasonings. Sa pangalawang beses. Gusto ko nang ihalo to. I mean, gusto ko yung sarili kong halo.
Yeah. Hi guys, we're in Commonwealth. We're supposed to buy
We're going to with the air fryer.
the air fryer.
Pero we actually checked it already. It's not
Yeah,
here.
it's not here.
So it sucks.
It's crazy. Me, I'm supposed to buy outside and muesli, but I got the muesli here. This one. This is my favorite because it's cheaper. It's just 150. And then I'm supposed to buy outside, but there's no outside. They only have the small ones.
Wow.
SNR Commonwealth.
Kinuhord kasi ng mga tao yung ano.
Yeah, they're hoarding the oats.
I
Diba?
mean, even in Erod, kinuhord nila.
Yes.
As in, ubus talaga, wala silang tinitira na box.
But I think he's disappointed because there's no air fryer. Kasi it's been so long, diba? You were planning to buy that na for so long. He's gonna buy the one that I have.
Hindi na kasi kami hindi na kami masyado nakapag-SNR dahil medyo
Tipid.
malayo na eh.
Yeah, and malayo. Ah, yeah. Kasi lumipat ako.
Yeah.
Before kasi katapat lang.
Medyo madalas, like,
Nilalakad lang natin.
kapag binivisit ko siya doon,
Yeah.
pwede kami mag-SNR anytime.
Yes. Ay, look, wait,
Pero pag
wait.
humiwalay ka,
I've seen something. I like the look.
what's that ba?
Ah,
It's chips.
It's a chip, but they have a very nice lalagyan. Anyway, before kasi, alas everyday kami. May time na everyday nagpupunta kami
SNR.
SNR.
Pero ano lang naman, kasi
Just checking out.
so, malubak. Hanggang sa SNR, malubak.
Kalookan
Dati
eh.
kasi QC na to eh.
Ay, QC na ba? Show it to them. This is what we always buy. Di mo na buy?
And then,
Ay,
we
yeah.
already have Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper's his favorite. First, Crunch. And then we got this one. We're gonna try it out. It's Dubai. Na-addict ako sa Dubai Chewy Cookie. Si Queenie kasi, friend ko from med school. Lagi siyang like, bili tayo Dubai. May tawag kami itong Buday. Buday Chewy Cookie. The Hali.
Uy, nakalit sila.
Hello.
Napakay mo siya na nabibili.
Walang air fryer ate.
Ano yun eh, blender.
Hindi, coffee maker. Coffee maker. Buy one, take one.
Dito pala po, kasama namin yung sister ko tsaka yung boyfriend.
Totoo ba? Gusto mo ba?
Magkano ba yan?
Buy one, take
Buy
one.
one, take one. Gusto mo sa'yo?
I want. I want a coffee maker.
So, dito rin sila ate. Mimili din sila. Actually, sila yung may plano mag-SN. Kami lang yung nakisabi.
Yeah.
Kaya
Dapat-
parang ikot-ikot lang kami. Wala kami masyadong mabili kasi nga.
Wala,
naman sa plano.
wala yung... Hindi, tsaka wala yung mga gusto natin. Guys, nakailang daan na kami sa Buldak. Talagang nagpaparamdam na siya sa akin.
Very unhealthy kasi. Puro
Yeah, it's so
na yung
unhealthy. I wanna remove the unhealthy. Ayun yung road. Alam niyo ba, like, dito rin kami nag-SNR before kami pumunta ng Linggalan.
Nakasil yung mga nakasil yung mga alak that type of shit.
Yeah.
Solid.
Hindi, may kwento pa ako. Kasi before that, like, Linggalan din kami ng mga pinsan ko before pa. Dito rin kami nag-SNR.
Dito rin yung mga
Yeah.
ano,
Bumili din kami alak. Wait, I
Kaya
think
tayo
we went
dalawa.
back.
Yeah.
Let's go there. Let's check. We're gonna check the sushi. I'll show you guys. Sushi! Ayan oh. Oh my gosh, they have this here. I wanna buy that. Oh my god, guys, they have the sashimi here already. Wait, wala yung kinukuha namin. Wala yung beef. Wala.
Meron pa naman yata sa
sila,
kabila.
guys. They have the big ones. ingredients. Oh my gosh. I also buy this, the salmon poke bowl. It's good. They have unagi na lang. And then tuna misono. There's a lot of good food here. They have charcuterie. That's crazy. They have everything.
It's crazy.
This is the behind the scene.
Naka-play na yan.
Yes.
Naka-record na.
Yes.
Wala magkasalita. 3, 2, 1, go. Tatawa ako. Ewan ko rin kung anong pinagagawa namin, guys. I-edit ko kaya ito. Isama ko yan.
Yung tao.
Take 2. Mabilis lang, mabilis lang.
Okay, go. Baby! Wala pa.
Game.
One, two, three. Ba't ka nakangiti?
Last na.
More.
Wala naman tayo nakaabala.
Wait lang. One, two, three, go. Baby naman.
Hindi ko kaya. Alright guys, we tried yung mga ginagawa ng creator na yung dadak.
We try to be aesthetic.
I can't do it. Ano to? Natawa ko.
Tawang-tawa.
It feels so fake. My goodness.
Ah, that's why.
It feels so fake. Whenever you watch some of our videos and we're doing that, I'm probably on the verge of laughing. Most of the time.
I'm asking him to do another one.
I can do it. I mean, I think we tried it for this.
Yeah, we tried it. Lahat yun, may tawa na. Pero
Walang natuloy. What the hell?
you're crazy. Oh.
Dude, I don't know if I'm made for this or what. I mean, I'm good with cameras, but the whole in front of it is
What?
different.
It's cringe for you?
Yeah. I mean, I kinda make fun of people who does that. And then, natatawa ko pag ako.
That is why.
This is really good. I like this.
Yeah, that's good.
This is the bigger one.
I used to buy Flaming Hot Cheetos all the time when I was in the US. It was very good. Why?
Sabi ko, try ulit natin. We're gonna
I
try it
gave-
one more time.
Okay, we're gonna try it one more time. Sige, ate. Thank you.
Hindi mo pala tapos. Nasa frame pa tayo.
Dali na.
I think, tapos na sila mamili. Sila ate. Puro kasi kami kwentuhan din.
And all we did, and all we did was yap.
Kaya may laman. Boom. Ayun o. May laman.
But I think I got what I want. The muesli. Hindi pa kami nakakapunta sa dulot. Titingin pa kami ng steak niya na. Guys, I want to buy a pizza. But I don't know
Asan
if
sila
he'll
ba?
let me.
Nandun sila.
Where? Where?
Mag-aantay na lang daw sila. Tara na nga.
Tara na. Hindi na tayo.
Tingin doon.
Okay.
Guys,
We enjoyed yapping.
we have to end the vlog early. Because naghihintay sila sa amin.
I'll just show you the other stuff.
Just some clips, okay?
Just some clips.
Goodbye!
Hi.
Finally got the Fuji Film exemplar. Say hi. Hey, scramble time! Best 100 pesos spent here in Puerto Galera.
Aral mo na. May exam siya. Sobrang init. Tan. Dami ng ano dito eh, no? Bagay, dati naman, dami ng activities dito.
Yeah.
Parang gusto ko nga mag-jet ski.
May tagapayo mo siya.
Hello guys.
Hi!
Yes, finally nakapag-video din. We're currently here in Puerto Galera,
Yep.
specifically in Virgin Island.
Right now.
Actually, kahapon pa kami nandito. Pero sobrang, I don't know, ang dami nangyayari.
Yeah.
And then, sobrang hectic ng schedule namin. May mga pinuntahan kami. Ay, nagising. Nagising. Dito na lang, dito. Okay.
Sige.
Ayun, nagising yung pamangkin namin. Yeah. Ando kasi yung mama at papa na nagpa-picture.
Yeah.
So ayun, daming ganap kahapon. Tapos, ngayon lang kami nakapag-video kasi nga, ayun, sobrang init. As in.
No, kasi
grabe.
yesterday, maga kami umalis. So, mga around 2 a.m. pa lang nasa
Oo.
2:30.
Yes.
So,
Di, ano din naman, 4 a.m. din tayo umalis.
Yeah, pero 4 a.m. kami
From
nakalas
Manila.
kasi nagantay pa kami makapuno yung bus. Pero, kumbaga, kaya tayo medyo tinamad ng video yesterday kasi nga, pagod din.
Pagod din
Tapos,
po yan.
isa din namin ma-enjoy pa.
Actually, I was trying to video naman, ang kaso lang. Parang, ayun nga, naabutan ng sobrang init, and then kakain sa ganito, ganyan, punta ng ganito, ganyan. And then, ang hirap set ng camera and everything. But today,
Super hot.
naman tayo. Nakapag-video naman tayo here in Virgin Island.
Yes.
Although there's not a lot of good things
Happenings.
to record.
Yeah.
But I was trying to record a lot of things, pero maybe just some clips. And then, ayun, I have my FX30 here. And I got my mic na. So, yung mga B-roll ko, it should sound great already.
Plus,
And then, ayun, we have a new camera
Yes.
na hindi namin hawak ngayon kasi nasa kapatid.
Hindi
We're
lang.
taking pictures. But we just got Fujifilm X-M5. Finally.
Finally.
Later, we will show you guys.
we
what
tried
looks like.
it yesterday pa lang. Diba? First time.
We've been trying it for a few days, but etong lakad namin, yun yung medyo
Actual na talaga.
actual
use.
na use ng ng Fujifilm, and it's very good. I like it. Pero it's it's a bit hard to
Navigate?
aralin. Oo, parang medyo mahirap i-navigate. But it's fun. It's a fun
I like
camera.
it so much. Super ganda, guys.
Yes. And it's very small. It's
Supposedly,
very
it was supposed to be XT30 Mark III. Pero kasi, naghanap kami. Ang hirap maghanap. Yun
Actually,
nga. No, ito
pero-
nga. Like, naghanap kami. Pero sa Henry's kasi, nag-aantay kami. So, nasa waiting list kami sa madaming branches. Tapos, parang recently lang namin napag-isip-isip na bakit hindi na lang tayo mag-XM5?
Yeah.
Originally kasi XM5 talaga.
Why not go for XM5 na lang din naman, di ba? Kasi nga, mas mababa yung price. What the hell? Alright. Thank you, ate.
Thank you! Thank you po.
Cheers, guys.
Ayan nga,
Ayan.
so mas mababa yung price and mas compact siya, so mas madali siya gamitin sa traveling, diba?
It's good.
And then it's 26 megapixel. Super sharp niya kahit na naglalagay kami ng grain effect, diba?
Actually, it's a video camera din, XM5. But sobrang ganda din niya for photo eh. And then, hindi naman nalalayo yung effects na from the XT30 Mark III. So, we went for it. And ayun, so ngayon, it's our second day here in Puerto Galera. Like I said before, parang hirap mag-vlog kapag sobrang nag-e-enjoy ka na. Wala lang, ngayon lang. Kasi guys, look at this view. Diba? Look at that view. It's good, guys. We're not actually couple lang dito. Actually, we're with friends and family. It was fun to be with family, relax. And we're just trying our best to film here, put out a vlog for you guys. But I don't know how this will look like in the video kasi parang hindi ko masyadong trip yung mga clips ko. But we'll see. We'll try. We'll try to video more.
It's for the memories.
And then later, pakita ko yung exercise sa inyo later.
Yeah, and the shots. We'll show you the shots. It's really good. What the fuck?
Very filmic. Solid. Sobra.
Like, straight out of the cam na kami. Hindi na kami masyadong... I mean, hindi na kami nag-edit. Hindi na kami nagla-lightroom. But,
Yeah. Well, she
pag may
doesn't.
mga...
I still do.
Yes, but
Oh.
that's the purpose of it. That's why we bought
Yeah.
the Fujifilm na this
Yes.
time. Kasi, original, di ba, meron akong camera, yung E6400.
Yes.
So yun, binenta ko siya for Fujifilm.
Yeah.
It's okay naman. Gusto ko pa rin naman talaga si Sony. Super sharp niya.
Ayun.
It's amazing. The XM5.
And then maybe next year, wala ko bumili ng isa pang camera. Actually, hybrid camera na yung gusto ko. Video and photo na. Dito kasi sa FX30 video lang. Hopefully, kung next year kaya, siguro kahit A7C Mark. It's a bit pricey. I have to save up for it. But, ayun, I'm excited. Para that will be my photo and second camera. What the hell?
B. It's a B.
It's a B. Minahuli
Magaling
ako.
ka.
Dahil pagkaklap ko ng kamay ko, gumanon ako. Sabi ko, ano yun? Tingnan mo yung bubuyog.
Pinaray mo yung pabuyo.
What the hell? I'm sorry. So guys, kain lang kami. We got a pizza coming. So, yeah, let's eat. We'll show you guys later.
Can you put?
Is that good? Say hi.